How to add PDF file in Google Docs. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started. So on the Google Docs, the first thing that we need to do is to upload the PDF file on our Google Drive. Make sure that you are signed in on the same account right here, and same goes on this one. So I have the same account. Now what we're going to do is to upload the PDF file on our Google Drive. So I have already done it. Now the next thing that we need to do is to click this three dots right there, and then go on this share right here, and then click the copy link. Once you have copied the link of the PDF file, let's go back on the Google Docs. And then what we're going to do is to paste it by just clicking the Control V, and then click this one right here, or you can just click the tab button. And then as you can see, we now have added a PDF file right here. And once we click that, this is what it looks like. And that is pretty much it. That is how you add a PDF file in Google Docs.